Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am just gonna be cleaning around the house. I kind of wanted to just take you guys along with me. Thought I would do like a day in my life on my day off kind of vlog. So yeah, so I just washed my face and brushed my teeth. I always just stay very natural. I don't really do my makeup on my days off unless we're going somewhere. If I do, it's usually just a very lightweight makeup look, but today we're just staying in. Jordan is playing a game with his best friend right now. So he's in the game room. And so I usually try to clean the apartment the first of every month or just within the first couple days. And today is the 6th. So I finally have a day off where I can finally clean the bathrooms and clean up the bedroom, put laundry away, wash laundry, do all the things. Jordan actually gets a lot done when I'm at work, which is really great, but I personally like to do the deep cleaning. It's actually really nice because both of us are very involved with cleaning and cooking and just doing a lot of things together. I like to get in and clean the bathrooms. He's not big on the bathrooms. I like to clean the toilet. I like to dust. I like to wipe everything down. I like to do all the deep cleaning. But yeah, so today's just like a cleaning day. I thought it would be very chill. I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along. So I'm first gonna do some laundry, just to get that going while I'm cleaning everything else. I think that's a good idea. Today's a big day. We're getting married in 300 days. Okay, so I have laundry going, and what do I want to do next? Should I start in the bedroom? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I have some clothes to put away in here. I'll make the bed and clean up my desk area. Golden Girls, one of my favorite TV shows. If you have not seen the Golden Girls, you're missing out. Okay, so the bedroom is mostly done. Got the bed made, got all of my clothes put away off the chair, desk cleaned off. I got my yarn and like craft area all organized. I really like that Jordan and I have our separate sides now. It's actually really nice because when we were in our bedroom at his parents' house, it felt like all of our stuff was all joined together everywhere. And so this is actually really nice for like me. I can just clean up my side, organize my side, and just worry about my side. Whereas I don't really care what his side looks like. He's got such a small section over here that I really don't mind if it's messy. This is his side. And it feels so much better to have everything clean. It's only gonna last for a short time. So in the morning, I go and get my clothes out to get dressed for work, and then I come home and then I just throw my clothes either in the laundry bin or on the chair, and then it's just a cycle of like all of that stuff. And then also whenever I do laundry or whenever we do laundry, when everything comes out of the dryer, it takes days for it to get put away. It does not, like this laundry bin of clean clothes has been here for a good couple days because we just don't put it away right away. But I'm gonna try to do all that today. I'm gonna really try. But right now I think I'm gonna make a snack because I'm a little hungry. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna have something small. I'm gonna make a Caesar salad kit. And we had a barbecue yesterday at my in-laws' house, and someone brought over this boar's head Italian chopped salad. So I'm gonna have some of this with it. Yeah, we have so many leftovers in the fridge that I think tonight for dinner we're just going to just eat all the leftovers in the fridge. I love a salad. Love a salad. I love a Caesar salad especially. If I wasn't having this with it, I probably would add some chicken to this and make it a chicken Caesar salad because that would be really good. That's really good. I really don't. It would be really cute if it was a bug, but
I'm getting old Bel Air.
like drapes from like post to post.
Oh, sorry. I went blind. Where'd it go?
I don't even know because I closed my eyes too.
Oh.